Okay, nice. So, hello everyone. Thanks for joining. So, what is the goal of you folks? I just want to learn about you guys and understand what you're trying to do, and let's see what we can do together. So, I know Bhargav. So, can rest of you folks introduce what you're doing? I think Supriya was also there in our previous group, right, Bhargav? Supriya and Nika, if I'm not wrong. And Anvesh, where is Anvesh here? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning, Sujan. Good evening,
This is
maybe.
Srujan Makwa,
Morning.
sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You're from CSC group.
Sir, I'm from CSC.
Okay. Nice. So all of you folks are done. I mean, it's like done with the fourth year, right? Or any third years are there?
No, sir, no, sir. There
Completed
are
fourth year, sir.
Completed fourth year. Okay. Nice. So what about you, Manoj?
Manoj.
I'm also from CSC, sir.
Okay.
Srujan
Nice.
and I are classmates.
So Sujan, you are from
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Nice. So how many of you guys are already placed?
Sir, I
Placed,
got
but
placement.
Srujan, Srujan, continue.
I got placement in Capgemini, sir.
Nice. Okay. What is the role, Sujan?
It's data analyst role, sir.
Okay, good. Anybody else?
Manoj also.
I
Same,
got
same
placed in
role.
Infosys, sir.
Okay.
System engineer role.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Swapnika also
okay.
plays, sir. Swapnika.
Nice.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, sir.
Swapnika. Yep.
Sir, I'm also placed in TCS, Capgemini, and Deloitte.
Oh, they allowed multiple companies this time.
Yes, sir, allowed. They allowed.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, good, good. So, if you're already placed, why join? Why coming here and meeting me?
Sir, to learn new technologies and work on the hands-on projects, sir.
Okay, okay, hmm. Okay. Nice, nice. So let's start something. I'm not sure how the IT market is going to evolve down the line. There will be a lot of ups and downs based on the current technology innovations as well as market conditions. Okay. So, so what I'm thinking is, see, uh, you might have already heard this from anybody, right? Learn from your seniors or learn from people who already experienced and understand the mistakes they have done. So, what I would suggest for all of you folks is, even though you do your jobs, keep building something aside because at some point that will become your mainstream. Okay. So don't neglect or don't think that yes we landed that means everything is gold and green. In IT world nothing is permanent. You might have known by this time, right? Recently Infosys or TCS laid off tons of people, freshers. Have you heard that, those news?
Yes, sir. We heard it in news, sir.
Yeah, so nothing is permanent. So you should always stay, I would say, focused and start learning things and start building things. Okay, rather than somebody controlling our destiny, let us control our destiny. That's what I look for. That is the whole reason why I started building this company and see if we can do ourselves something, right? So I'm working on few projects. which may lead into down the line. But meanwhile, for us to learn the technology, let's uh, build something on our own. So, any of you folks have any ideas to build? I think we lost few people. Manoj, we lost. I think. Who else we lost? Okay, okay, that's fine. So, yeah, yeah, maybe that's the case. So, two things here can happen. One, see, I have a lot of experience in building stuff. Now, next 1 week or next maybe 5 days, if you guys have time, sit together and brainstorm some ideas. Let's bring it to life in this next 3 months. Sort one idea and bring it to life in next 3 days. Sorry, next 3 months. And we will try to run it as a company. Like we'll try to find marketing, if we see if we can find some funding, and we if we can get some real customer for that idea, we will try to do that and build a product. At least if we succeeded in the product, we can continue. If meanwhile, if some projects come from my connections here, we can work on those projects. Or worst case, if we can market that product and sell it, that is one way. Worst case, we all learn new stuff. Okay, that's the goal. So what you guys will do is next 3 to 4 days, brainstorm some ideas, write it on a white paper, and see if we have a potential customer or customer base, any business research for it. Do you see there is an opportunity? Brainstorm that, and let's meet in like 2 to 3 days, and then we will see what we will shortlist what we want to build. We'll then pick one and start working on it. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? No, what is that, Bhargav? Okay, hi Sandhya.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. So you guys understood, right? See, jobs, all these things will come and go. But the moment you gain the skill set, and it will be useful in any place. Okay. So, but don't just rely on jobs. That is not the future. That after 20 years or 30 years, I learned that. So I that is my suggestion to all of you folks. Even though you have some jobs, try to do something, or invest early. Okay. um, Always be a learner and start working on your uh, stuff that makes more sense. So let's do that. Let's plan for it. Go ahead and brainstorm and come up with some ideas and see which one we can build. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer. By the way, how many of you folks know me or my profile or what I do?
Uh, team, give the answers.
Okay, so some stuff about myself. I am 2006 ECE passed out from GVP. Later, I worked 2.5 years for Wipro. Then I joined a small company called MAQ, and I worked there for a year or two. Then I joined Microsoft, and from past 15 years, I'm working in Microsoft. In like 10 years before I relocated to US, and I'm right now an group engineering manager in Microsoft. So I executed tons of projects at a different scale. I was part of Xbox, Kinect, different product launches, Azure. I worked in all of these spaces. So I have wealth of knowledge of building systems at a scale end to end. And even today, I'm still hands-on coder. I can still write code and deploy stuff and make things work. So always never ever lose the edge on the technology. Okay, that is very important, but that's crucial. And also look at things from business side, like how we can sell it rather than how we can build it. Yes, definitely we can build it because we are engineers, but how we can sell it is also very important.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yep. So any questions on what is the next steps, or you guys will go and brainstorm and come up with some ideas by Wednesday, then we can sit back and circle back and see what we want to do.
Team, do you have any questions? You can ask this, sir.
Sir, about certifications, there is any particular certifications to do?
Actually, you see, if you want to do certifications is always like you read those important questions and write those answers and get certified. That's the way certifications works. I
Ah,
personally don't believe in too much certifications, but certifications helps
ah,
when you're selling your what is that credentials to client. It will help. So if you're going and working in Microsoft technologies, Azure cloud technologies certifications are good. If not, Microsoft 360 Dynamics 365 is also very good. By Microsoft Dynamics 365, if you guys are signing up for certifications, let me know, because that will help our company to get certified as a Microsoft trusted partner. That
ah,
will help. So if you guys are willing to take those certifications, let me know. I mean, it's like Azure and Dynamics 365 are good certifications, and majority of the projects that are coming on our way are Dynamics 365.
yes, sir. Some of the members are willing to do the certifications.
Okay, then let me talk to Ritesh. He will give some
Hmm.
certifications criteria. I will take that and I'll pass it on to you. If you can complete those certifications, then we can it's a win-win case. We can file our company as a trusted Microsoft certified partner,
Yes,
but
sir.
that requires some more things to do apart from just certifications. But if you guys all can do those certifications, it can help us and also establish some credentials in the market.
Yes, sir. We will do
I'll
so.
send the list.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's meet sometime. We will chat on WhatsApp and agree on a time. Let's meet sometime on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Yes,
On
Manoj.
what kind of technologies we are going to brainstorm, like web or
No, no, no,
on
no,
what
see,
things?
it's like this, right? When you're trying to sell, it's not like what you know, based on that you should not build products. Always try to solve a customer problem, then to build that we can figure out which technology we want to use. Sometimes we may use JavaScript, Node.js, C Sharp. If it is a mobile application, it may be Flutter, it may be React Native, doesn't matter. I can tell you which. See, programming language will always have a similar paradigms. Like, have you read? You are from CSC, right, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you might have seen Java,
Yes, sir.
right? C,
Yes,
C++.
sir.
So whichever
Yes, sir.
programming language you take, there will be an if you see, there will be similar syntax will be different, but underneath everything will be same, right? You will have loops, you will have switch statements, you will have conditional statements, you will have a memory management, right? Some
Yes, sir.
additional features, but underneath communication is same, correct?
Yes.
So similarly, don't look at like there is a saying, right? If you have a hammer in hand, you'll always feel that whatever is in front of you is a nail. So first, the way you need to solve this is first to find a problem where somebody is willing to pay us maybe $1 or a two or a $10 for using our services. What is that service? Then to build that service, how we can build, we can I can give you a number of technologies and we can put it together.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't think the other way. Okay, if I know this
Okay.
technology, I need to build using this technology, will block us, because we'll always think okay, if we practice on a mobile application development, we'll always think to build a mobile app. but sometimes it may not be a mobile app. They might want a AI chatbot. We don't know. So don't. So Wednesday, the goal is don't discuss technologies.
Yes.
The goal is think that, sir, we think these problems exist in the market today and there is no competitor, or even though there is a competitor, their services are not so great. If we can build a service on this, we can sell it easily.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no, don't discuss technologies. These 3 days discuss problems and whether that problem can be marketed and sold.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Sandhya.
Sir, recently I saw a problem. It's not a major problem actually. It's in banking sector. So,
Mm-hmm.
as this is a financial year, we get frequent calls from banks. So, I like regarding loans or something, or maybe it can be anything, but they're frequently calling us. So,
Okay.
in a day, I used to get 20 to 25 calls from them.
Hmm.
So when I asked them, why don't you put a mark that you have already called the person and they don't require any kind of loans or something? They said like, this is a system generated calls, ma'am. We can't do anything. We'll just call on the list basis or the system generation or something. They said.
Okay.
I thought maybe like, it's not a major problem actually. Just we can give a simpler solution to them. So when I discussed with few of my members, they too said that we too get those calls frequently in the month of February, March, and April.
Hmm.
Is it, so does it belongs to does that problem belongs to like we can find a solution for that, or is it necessarily require a solution?
It may, because see, there are two problems here. One, if what they are telling to you that it is a system generated, if that is true, but if somebody wants to fix the system, they might have fixed it already. But maybe they want you to call again and again and try to check at some point will you swing for taking a loan.
That's what I thought, sir. Like maybe they are
Mostly
kind
that
of
is the case
marketing.
because solving that problem from a system end is pretty simple, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Hmm. Or the other way is from the receiver end, if the number coming from the same call, okay, then we can do one thing. If the system generated number, the caller number changes or doesn't change, Sandhya?
It changes. Sometimes it changes, but mostly 10 to 15 calls from the same number. But
Hmm.
remaining 10 numbers are different.
Okay. Now, US has a way, these telephone operators only, depending upon the calling patterns, they will flag saying that it can be a scam. So that kind of a facility our telecom softwares have or not, I'm not sure. The other way to solve this is whoever got similar call, we can create an app on top of it, and we can show the call listings in that app. Recent calls happened, and people can just open it and block it and report it. One is if somebody blocked saying that it's spam, if whoever installed our app, we can make sure if that call comes from there, we can alert them saying that this can be a spam, right? So that they can go ahead and they can also block it. That app we can build, but not sure how many people will use it. So check with other people who got the calls saying that, hey, if there is some solution like this, will you buy it? If so, or will you use it? If so, how? So idea is one thing, but you need to be able to find a customer or a market for it. Else we'll build up, we don't know what to sell it, how to sell it. Yes. Hmm. Yeah. No. Oh, that is a paid service which already Airtel is giving. Okay. 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 No, there is this app called Truecaller. Yeah, is it not there? Okay, it only shows the name. Yeah, okay. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, see, see, always good ideas comes from problems. There should be a frustration and a problem behind an idea, behind a solution. That's the goal. That's the right way, right line of thinking, Sandhya. Similarly, yeah, find the problems in your spaces, discuss, spend some time, and let me know. Okay? Okay. Any more questions? If not, we can sign off and we can meet Wednesday. Okay, team, then. Good luck. Good day. Have a great day. Bye.
Okay,